Imagine waking up a year from now with more money than you ever thought possible. No tricks, no shady shortcuts, just real strategies that work in 2025. If you're tired of trying to make money and nothing seems to work, this video might be your turning point. Today, I'll show you the direct path from zero to wealth with practical, actionable steps. You'll discover the most profitable opportunities this year, how to increase your income even if you're starting from scratch, and how to avoid the mistakes that make most people give up before seeing results. Do you feel like you work too much and earn too little? Or have you tried multiple methods, but never managed to get ahead? If so, watch until the end, because what you'll learn here could change your financial future forever. The problem: most people believe that to get rich, all they need to do is work harder and save as much as possible. But if it were that simple, why do so many people spend their entire lives working hard and never manage to move forward? The real issue lies in the vicious cycle many find themselves in. They receive a paycheck, pay their bills, spend what's left, and wait for the next payment. Without a strategic plan, their money never works for them, keeping most people stuck in the same financial situation year after year. Another common mistake is relying on just one source of income and not investing. Many people focus only on making money in the short term, but never think about how to multiply it. They spend everything on things that bring temporary pleasure, but don't create assets that generate money in the future. As a result, even after years of hard work, they remain in the same place, without financial security or the freedom to choose how they want to live. The secret to getting rich in 2025. The secret to getting rich in 2025 isn't about working more hours or exhausting yourself in a traditional job. The real path to wealth is working strategically, focusing on opportunities with high return potential. The most successful people don't trade time for money. They make money and time work for them. This means investing in scalable income streams, exploring new trends, and knowing where to put effort to get the maximum results. So, what are these opportunities in 2025? With advancements in technology, it has never been easier to build wealth without needing a large initial capital. Business models like digital entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, artificial intelligence, dropshipping, and content creation are producing millionaires faster than ever before. Additionally, the financial market continues to offer secure growth opportunities, such as investments in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate funds. Those who can identify and act quickly in these areas will have a massive advantage over the rest. A clear example is entrepreneurs who started small online businesses and, within months, multiplied their earnings. There are countless stories of people who began with nothing, whether through a YouTube channel, an e-commerce store, or selling digital products. And within a year, they were making 5 or 6 figures per month. The difference between them and those still stuck in the rat race? They took action and seized the right opportunities at the right time. If you want to transform your financial life, you need to stop thinking like the majority and start acting like those who truly build wealth. Instead of just working to earn money, focus on creating assets, building multiple income streams, and learning how to scale your earnings. What you do today will determine where you'll be a year from now, and 2025 could be your breakthrough year if you take advantage of this chance. The step-by-step plan. If you want to go from zero to building wealth in 2025, you need to follow a clear and practical plan. Simply wanting to make money isn't enough. You need a structured method that leads to real results. Here are the 3 essential steps to transforming your financial life and avoiding the mistakes that keep most people stuck in mediocrity. 1. Build an initial income. The first step is to generate money consistently. If you don't have starting capital, you need to create an active income source that allows you to accumulate money for future investments. In 2025, some of the best ways to start from scratch include online jobs such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, and dropshipping. These options allow you to make money with minimal investment and can grow quickly if executed well. The biggest mistake people make at this stage is relying solely on a traditional job and spending everything they earn. Don't fall into that trap. 2. Create multiple income streams. Once you have a stable initial income, the next step is to diversify your earnings. True wealth doesn't come from working harder, but from earning money in multiple ways simultaneously. This is where smart investments come in, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate funds, along with monetizing your skills like selling courses, digital products, or automated services. If you only make money and spend it all, you'll never move forward. The key is to make your money work for you. 3. Reinvest and scale. The final step is to expand and accelerate your earnings. This means taking the money you're already generating and reinvesting it strategically in opportunities that can multiply your profits. Whether it's scaling your business, buying more assets, or creating passive income streams, the goal is to grow your wealth without working more hours. At this stage, financial discipline is crucial. Avoid unnecessary expenses and stay focused on continuously increasing your net worth. If you follow these 3 steps consistently, you can transform your financial reality much faster than you think. The key to success isn't just wanting to get rich, it's taking smart and strategic action. Now, the question is, are you ready to take the first step and change your life? If you've made it this far, you already know that getting rich in 2025 isn't about luck or magic tricks. It's about strategic action. Now, the choice is in your hands. You can continue on the same path as before or start applying the steps you learned today to transform your financial reality.